Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text box border style in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to change the text box border style, go to the insert menu. Select the text box and draw a text box. Select the text box and go to the shape format menu. Select the outline. You can change the color. Now I am select red. Click again and increase the white. Now click again and you can make the dashes border. Then click inside the text box and write anything. Select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go back the home menu. You can increase the font size. Make the alignment center and middle. Now we can see we change the border style of text box easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.